Basically, your description is text that describes your channel and helps search engines find your YouTube channel. It is important to include keywords about what your channel topics are. So, if you teach about cooking, you'll want that included in your channel description. Because if someone's searching for that on YouTube, your channel can show up. Because not only do videos show up in the results, but also channels, you want your most important information up at the top of your description. The first 125 characters will show on YouTube search and on your main page. In your description, you can add what your channel is about. You can add your posting schedule or why people should subscribe to your channel. Be precise in what you are telling people there. For example, subscribe now for the latest budget travel locations. You can also do your research to your competition to get some inspiration about what you can include in your description. Next, we have the channel URL, which you can change it once you have at least 100 subscribers and is more than 30 days old. Here, you can add links to your social media, website, affiliate links, subscribe button, or anything else that you want to show up on your channel banner. Let's add these links, and they will appear here. For a subscribe button, you can write something like I did on my I Am Cyrus channel. I will type click here to subscribe, and I will copy the channel link, and I will add this to the URL. When people click the link, it will ask them if they want to subscribe, which is faster than going back from your channel to click subscribe. You can add links to Instagram, Twitter, or whatever website you want. Last, we can enter an email address, any email address, and not the one we use to create our Gmail account. For example, you might have a business email so people can contact you for collaborations or for other reasons that you might want for people to get in touch with you. After all that is done, click the Publish button, and there you go. We have our own channel customization done.